Hi, Nancy with Beekeeping here. I know it's been a hot minute since I did a video. I had other things I was participating in. So today is Christmas Day. It is supposed to be a high of 46, and it just seemed like a good day to get out here and put some Hive Alive fondant on my colonies. It's chilly, but we're going to be quick about it. All right, I'm gonna do a couple colonies today, putting the whiteboards back on. I had them off since fall. This is my Hive Alive fondant. I put this little Who's What's It, cuts the circle right out. I stick the legs inside. It allows the bees access in there. And I put burlap on my colonies. It just helps me determine whether or not there's any moisture. This is my rapid round that I put on all my colonies. It's full of sugar, so I'm gonna pop that off. So we're gonna flip this around, put that right on top. And then I'm gonna keep my rapid round in the colony, just because then it's there.